Hello, this is question 3 from the 2020 summer set of exams from Cambridge International. This is from paper 1-1. You'll find a link in the description below to an image of this question, and I recommend you try it before looking at the solution. This question is about a necklace that's for sale, and it goes up in value 5% every year. It tells us in the year 2000 it is worth 36,000. So if it goes up in value every year, just to get a little bit of an idea here, we can just write down what happens next year and multiply this by 5%, 1.05. If we multiply by that, we would get 37,800. We could just stay going. They want us to find out what happens in the year 2008. So you could just stay going. I'm just going to do the first two. 39,690. Again, I'm just multiplying by 1.05 each time. And that's the trick to know it. This is actually a geometric sequence. Now, some students might multiply by 0.05 and then add it onto the original, and they might miss that trick. So what is actually happening is each time this has been multiplied by something. Nothing's been added on each time. Not the same thing, at least. Something's been multiplied each time. So what we really have here is a geometric sequence. T1 is 36,000, T2 is 37,800, and T3 is 39,690. So we don't need to stay going because we have formulas for this. We can find out any t we want. Tn is equal, I have to look up the formula myself, a or n minus 1. But we know what nearly all of this is. We know we know what a is, it's 36,000. We know what or is. Or is 1.05. That's the trick though. A lot of students might miss what the or is. And then n minus 1. So I can find out any n I want, Tn. So which n do I want to find? So many students make mistakes on this part. T1 was here, T2 was here, T3. So we want 2008. So we don't want T8, we want 2008. So 2000 was 1, 1 was 2, 2 was 3. So 2008 will actually be T9. So what we're looking for is T9, and we can get that. Is this what they asked us for? Write down an expression for the selling price of the necklace n years later. That's this answer here, so that's actually already answered it. And then they say hence find 2008. So 2008 is T9. Maybe we write in 2008 here. T9 is equal to 36,000 multiplied by 1.05, and 9 minus 1 is 8. This is a job for a calculator. Simply put it into a calculator and we will get, I'm stalling because I can't see it, there it is here. We will get 53,188 and 40 cents. Now that's rounded off to the nearest cent. Although in the Cambridge system, they're happy for the first 3 numbers, the first 3 significant figures. So I guess another answer could be 53,200, rounded up to the nearest significant figures. That's dollars. So this is, I believe, the answer they give in the marking scheme, but they'll accept this as well. If you get more decimal places, I don't think they would, but they'll go ahead and accept. When money's involved, they'll go ahead and accept down to the cent. Okay, that is part A. I think I have room here for part B, because part B asks us how much this company made. And it's a strange company. They only sell one necklace every year. But then again, I guess if it goes up in value 5% a year, that's probably why. Find the total amount of money made in the 10-year period starting in the year 2000. So year 1, 2, 3. So we want to go all the way up to T10. So we want this plus this plus this. We don't have the middle ones, plus this and plus 2009. Sorry, I think I said 2010. So we don't need to add all them up because we have a formula for that as well. We have Sn. Sn is equal to, let's see, A1 minus or to the power of n. That's multiplied, and it's 1 minus or on the bottom row. And we just want S10. And we know what most of this is. So S10 is equal to 36,000, that's what A is, 1 minus 1.05, that's what R is, and to the power of, is that 10 or, yeah, I think it's 10, I thought it was 10 minus 1, to the power of 10, all divided by 1 minus 1.05. This will all go into the calculator right now. You could clean it up, I guess. The bottom row would turn into a minus 0.05. But really, I think I like to do it right now in a calculator. I just put in brackets everywhere. I'm very careful. When I divide a bottom row, I put it in another set of brackets. And this should all come out to, let's see, 450, I think it's 2 rounded off, but I've rounded off to 3 significant figures this time. So it's just 453,000. Although your calculator will give much more numbers here. And I think it's a 2, but it rounds up to a 3. Say 52,800 or something like 52,800. 8,000. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, that is the right number. That is how much this company makes in a 10-year period. Not bad for one necklace a year, I don't think. Alright, if you have any questions about that, let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them and get back to you. Thanks for watching and have a good day.